being in the public eye within others, I contribute to humanity. And I would just say this, it's because I care about nature. I would just start there. We ain't even got to talk about, actually dealing with humans, right? But I care about y'all just because I care about nature. So me caring about nature, it's caring about y'all on a bigger scale. Okay. And then we can still descend down that scale and you can still see how much I swear I didn't drop my phone. I don't know how it's cracked. We could descend down and you still see how much I care. But